If you want to reclaim your attention and get more done in less time, this video is for you. I'll share 3 proven techniques that actually work, even if you have a million tabs open right now. Here's what's coming up. Why focus is so hard today. 3 actionable strategies for laser-sharp concentration. How to build habits that last. Let's start with the problem, multitasking. We think we're being productive, but studies show our brains aren't built to juggle emails, meetings, and social media all at once. The result? We get less done and feel more stressed. You're not alone. Our attention spans are shrinking, and the world isn't getting any quieter. Technique 1, time blocking. Dedicate specific blocks of time to one task. No emails, no phone, just pure focus. Even 25-minute sprints, like the Pomodoro technique, can make a huge difference. Technique 2, control your environment, turn off notifications, close extra tabs, and let people know when you're in do not disturb mode. A distraction-free space helps your brain lock in. Technique 3, take real breaks. Don't just scroll on your phone between tasks. Step outside, stretch, or meditate for a few minutes. This helps your brain recharge and improves focus when you return. Focus isn't about willpower, it's about systems. Build habits, tweak your environment, and be patient with yourself. Which focus technique will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and if you're ready to set and achieve your biggest goals, watch my next video on how to actually achieve your goals in 2025.